Are you getting ready to go on an international flight and want to avoid the jet lag that comes with that? Stay tuned. Welcome to Travel Tip Tuesday with the Traveling Cheesehead. I'm Michelle. Every Tuesday, I share a practical and helpful travel tip so you can save time, money, and headaches. In today's episode, we're going to talk about jet lag. So the very first time I went to India, I did not know what to expect. I had flown before, but never for that many hours. And I was wiped. When I arrived in India, that jet lag, it hit me hard. I slept for probably the first couple of days that I was there, missed out on a lot of being able to go out and see sights, interact with my in-laws, and just really acclimate to the environment because I was sleeping the whole time. My schedule was all off. I was awake during the evenings and nights, and I was falling asleep during the day. I had no idea how to combat that being my first time. Since then, I've traveled a lot internationally, and I've learned how to build up for an overnight flight where I'm going to be switching time zones and encountering jet lag. So I've tried a different couple things over the years. I've tried, just going with my normal schedule and then getting there and forcing myself to stay awake. That can be okay and can work when your time difference isn't too terrible. But even then, that first day is going to be absolute hell for you because you're going to be so tired and so worn out. And you're going to need a really lengthy sleep to catch up on things. You're likely to still feel tired and drained the following day. So the thing that I've done over the years and learned the hard way is that I prep myself prior to a trip about 3 to 4 days before I know I'm going to fly for an extended period of time or into a time zone that's very different than where I live. I start prepping my sleep patterns so that when I arrive at my new destination, I'm going to be fresh as a daisy and ready to explore and hit the ground running. What that means and what that looks like is a few days before, if I'm going to a time zone where it's night, where it's day by me, or vice versa, if it's like a 6 to 12 hour time difference, I plan accordingly. So I make sure I stay up extra late, and then, if I still have to get up for work or whatnot, I'm just a little tired those couple days at work, but I power through. I also make sure the night before that I am tired to fly on the plane, because I've learned that if I sleep on the plane, if I plan it out where I make myself super tired and I'm able to sleep on the plane, when I arrive at my destination, I am much fresher, I am much more energized and ready to go. It's not the easiest thing. It takes some planning, and it is going to take some discipline. It's very easy to kind of get lazy and be like, I'll be fine, I'll be fine. But over the years, I've really learned that you have to plan out your sleep schedule a couple days before you actually leave on this trip so that you can be fresh and enjoy the journey that you have spent so much time and money planning and so much money to get there and enjoy. I hope you found today's travel tip helpful. If you did, please smash that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, where every Tuesday I share a brand new travel tip with you. Thanks for joining me on Travel Tip Tuesday. Until next time, travel safe.